here we have for you today a awesome unboxing video of Omega Dragonis. This here is a Metal Fury hyperblade by Hasbro. It's pretty cool. So, hyperblade, Omega Dragonis right there. There's the card with the code, which one lucky person will get. Spark FX, Metal Fury, and Battle Online. Here we have Metal Fury, Dragonis, Omega, 85XF. The same bottom as the Eldrago Assault and Mercury and Nubius. There's a stadium, and you can configure the wheel 2 different ways for mode changes. So let's get straight to opening it up. You know how I like the Dragon Beyblade, so when I heard of this one, I knew that I had to get it. I keep the back so that way I can keep the box up on the wall. Okay. Here's the code card, and there's the code. Okay. Cool green launcher. Seriously? Oh, there's no scissors. Okay. Cool bay tool. Launcher. And just the basic instructions showing you just what they do, how it battles and all that stuff. So now we're going to take apart Omega Dragonis so you can get a closer look at it. Okay, wait, let me see the paper. I chucked it back here, now I need it again. Okay. So here's how we're going to figure out what each mode is. Right now it is in Smash Attack mode. Change it. What the heck? Okay, there you go, now it is in Attack mode. So, Smash Attack mode works better because it gives you more smash on the wheel. This is the Dragonis, pretty cool, green. Here's the Dragonis face. It's like Eldrago and 85XF. Lowest combo, second fastest performance tip is XF. Formerly the fastest until the 0G performance tip of Giga Flat came in along with Gladiator Bahamdia. And that is the unboxing of the Hyperblade Omega Dragonis. Thanks for watching.